In 1 hour and 24 minutes, this family's major possessions will be held hostage. Once their furniture, their trophies, their clothes, their silverware are loaded, rogue operators posing as movers will try to extort unexpected thousands of dollars from them. Rogue operators have to be stopped. They operate out of phantom offices, not warehouses or legitimate office space. They are uninsured or underinsured. There is no provision for damage. You can choose the right mover by means of the Registered Mover program. This is important because first, there's a code of ethics. You can depend on a policy of truth in advertising. Movers who sign this won't mislead. They train, commit, insure to the highest standards. Their future in your hands. They can't afford to mess up, and they pledge not to lead you on. There's a written statement of policy. Here's what it looks like. Send for it. If it's written here, they'll do it. In the unlikely event of a dispute, you get the advantages of an arbitration system to work things out. Very effective. You're protected by contracts that are famous for fairness. The program has this certificate from the state government. It's a recognition that these movers are committed to treating you fairly. To choose the right mover and avoid being scammed, get free help to find a registered mover. The Maryland Movers Conference is working to protect the consumer. Go to marylandmovers.org and then click on Consumer Info. Do research. Plan your move. Use the Registered Mover program. Send for our checklist. Ethical movers expect you to.